Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will tell you how I build a full hero section with the live 3D object using just Claude and Spline. So let's go. Check this beautiful hero section with 3D object. First go to Spline and design your 3D object. I made these chat bubbles. Once done, click share, copy the embed link. It look like this. And if you want to learn how to create this 3D object from scratch, check link in description. Now write a prompt, create a production ready hero section as a single HTML. Now I replace this link with our 3D object link. Now click enter. Now check Cloud start working on it. Download the HTML file, open it in a browser. Your 3D float on the right, hero content on the left, full responsive. This is a transparent background 3D object that is showing in our hero section. No React, no framework, one prompt. Drop your Spline embed and Claude does the rest. Try it yourself. Link and prompt are in description. If you like this video, hit like and share. Thank you.